Okusi Olowo, to make it happen. Mokibu Buape, welcome as we forge. Yoruba, Tanso, and I can't confuse what. The Lori Shiri Shitimumbo, a map with Yoruba nation more. Uruka Konika Makwe. The most important passport is for us to dissolve from Nigeria. And we can all sit together in a national conference and decide the way forward. Hausa colony lewa, Fulani colony, APC colony Yoruba, PDP colony le Yoruba, Labour Party colony. We have the window to stop them now before 2027. 2027 is still 2 years down the line. Moria Atiku àti Peter Obi wà l'Abuja lẹ́ni. Moria Arẹ́gbẹ́ṣọlá àti Atiku ní Ọ̀ṣun State. Mori Tinubu ní Abuja National Conference. But ẹ lọ sọ fún gbogbo wọn pátá látòkè délẹ̀. APC doesn't own Yoruba land. PDP doesn't own Yoruba land. Labour Party doesn't own Yoruba land. Showore Party AAC doesn't own Yoruba land. Yoruba land belongs to the indigenous people. And those indigenous people will forge ahead and form their own government and have their own independent country and put their flag across every part of Yoruba land at the appropriate time that is not going to be too long. You should go and forge ahead and prepare for such a day. The day that Nigeria will finally collapse. There will be bloodshed. There's no doubt about it. But the blood of the enemy will be used to clean up the mess. I am Olayomi Koiki as we prepare you for the D-Day. Professor Akintoye spoke to me today when he called. And I'll leave it like that. Go and prepare for the D-Day. Moki, Prophet Ologunlowa, as they are preparing the United States biggest outing of the Iromualade for their independent country and the exit out of Nigeria. Moki, the YSD, Egbomi Malomo, from Manchester to Birmingham to Newcastle, to Luton to Milton Keynes to London. Kolukalukulo Foshuesile, as we will be getting ready to bombard the all embassy across Europe on one demand. And that demand is, speaking on Yoruba, our exit out of Nigeria. Tinubu has not the power to stop it. He can dialogue and negotiate our way out of Nigeria. Tó bá díẹ̀ láti stop ẹ̀, ẹ̀mí ẹ̀gán lè bọ́ sí. Because àwọn alálẹ̀ máa bá gbogbo wọn jà. Anybody that dare try to stop Baba Akintoye, ẹ̀mí oyin máa já sí. Anybody that dare try to stop Igboho as they prepare to forge ahead, ẹ̀yin yín máa bọ́ sí, ẹ̀mí gbogbo yín máa já sínú ẹ̀ pátápátá. We will go ahead without any kind of diplomatic for now. We have done every possible best. We go diplomatic pẹ̀lú international and the local and Africa and the government. And like I've said to you, you will not get an independent Oduduwa country, Yoruba country, Oduduwa Republic, Yoruba kingdom, just like United Kingdom, Germany, France, China, India, Pakistan, Eritrea, Ethiopia, until you take the bull by the horn. And this is why we are now at a crossroad.